Hello everyone and welcome to TechFixFlix. In this video, we take a first look at light and dark modes, available in the Windows 10 May 2019 update. If you're watching this video in advance of the general release of the May update, we've published a tutorial to guide you through the process of early installation, which is linked in the description accompanying this video. Once you're running the update, click on the Start menu button, then type Colour, we've spelt it the English way, and move up to click on Colour Settings. The colour settings are opened, and by default we are running custom settings, mixing dark Windows mode with light app mode. Clicking the drop down allows us to choose light and dark Windows modes, in addition to our existing custom mode. We start by selecting the light mode, and witness an immediate change to the taskbar. Closing the settings dialog, we can immediately see the lighter desktop. Opening the Start menu again demonstrates the lighter tones of this mode. This continues with the settings dialog, and here we've run Google Chrome purely as a sample app. Now let's change over to dark mode, and the contrast is stark, with a black taskbar, dark grey Start menu, and settings dialog. This is Google Chrome, and we promise it isn't in incognito mode. Here is incognito mode for comparison, and we can imagine this might force a redesign from Google, as the visual contrast between modes is no longer as pronounced. Finally, we return to where we began with custom mode, which allows a hybrid of Windows and app colour schemes, and we return to our original mode settings. Scrolling down, we can choose an accent colour, which permeates our desktop. To make the changes pronounced, we select the red accent purely for demonstration purposes. Hovering over the Start menu icon changes it to red, whilst clicking upon it demonstrates the extent to which the accent colour impacts upon the desktop. Clicking the settings icon again makes use of the red accent colour, both at startup and in the settings dialog itself. Touches of the accent are visible elsewhere. Be sure to check out all of our videos on the May 2019 update. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. If you can provide a better, faster or more economical solution, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you'd like more, you are very welcome to subscribe to the TechFixFlix YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Subscription is of course entirely free and provides easy access to all of the videos posted here. Clicking on the neighbouring bell icon means you will be notified whenever a new video is posted. You can also keep in touch by following the official TechFixFlix Twitter account. Until your next TechFix, goodbye.